You know what? I want to end this. Me too. Let's do this. Yep, I think we should finally end this. What move should I do first? No idea. Is it just me, or are we having a staring contest? Of course we are. And that's why I like being a YouTuber. Whew! Finally. I wonder what I could make for dinner. Maybe pasta? Nah, the cheese always gets stuck in my teeth. What could I have? And cats? What are you doing? Oh, you're gonna be grounded for this. I am so mad at you. Please, no. You're not getting out of this, Jack. You're grounded for 3 weeks.